Bokok je Sonjona de mana chobanano hine tongmani alada alada phone number alada alada QR code rijani bagoi confuse ongei tongkha hingkai je Sonjona de mani details number rok hingkai details account number rok bono rohana bagoi bo koikha phaidi chungnai kano
Khulumka jotono ani Facebook ni family show ang tai kaisa video same day post mak laika karon ang rang rinani hinai chongmase Sonjona depormano kintu ang gila QR code tapore QR code to oro choliya but gila different number tai account number different hai nugu tongo. Can anybody please send me or drop me the actual real account bank details of Sonjona Deporma or maybe her parents? Karon ang to internationally transaction khaina bele fake account or gila borok fake pabe putalango orang. Can you guys please help me find out the real exact transfer account number, IFSC and the account holder's name, please. This is my only request to you guys so that I can do my contribution for heart treatment.